Well, Rhys, there's a lot to get through after that one, so we'll go through it chronologically. Once again, you're in a situation where Chris Venables gets sent off after 7 minutes. Your opinion on that decision?
Well, I just can't believe it's happened 2 weeks running for starters, and I feel for Chris because emotionally it's tough for him. I think I've watched it back. I think it's very soft, but it is what it is. I don't really want to say too much about it because I'm gobsmacked really that it's happened 2 weeks running. Whether they should be reds or they shouldn't be, I'm just shocked that it's happened 2 weeks running.
What was going through your mind at that point, and how much did that change the complexion of this game?
Well, I didn't see it at the time, so I didn't think it was a foul in the first place, which caused all the problem. But I just didn't see it. So then when I saw the red come up, I just presumed he'd said something. And then obviously I've watched it back now albeit on a mobile phone, which is not ideal. I don't want to say too much more.